Field by field, Maizex is bringing Canadian seed to farmers across Canada. Maizex is your source for high-performance soybeans and grain, silage, and grazing corn hybrids. Visit maizex.com to find your local Maizex representative.
This is Amber Bell here. I am at Ag in Motion, and I am here with Mike Friesen from Elmer's, and we're going to be talking about the Haulmaster 2500 Inline Tandem. So, Mike, this is great. Tell me a little bit about this.
Yeah, so this is our latest development in our Haulmaster grain cart lineup. It's our biggest cart to date at 2,500 bushels, roughly 68 tons capacity. And the feature here that's unique about it is on tandem-axle suspension undercarriage.
Right, and so there's a huge talk about the tires on this thing. I mean, you can look at them and see they're pretty big there. Tell me a little bit about why you guys went with these tires and the ground disturbance with them.
Yeah, so a lot of our growers, they have different needs, and some need tracks and some prefer tires, and this was an opportunity to appeal to the needs for tires. And using these big, large 1250 LSWs, they do provide a tremendous amount of flotation and minimize ground disturbance, and that's all facilitated by our steering system as well. So we have a four-wheel articulating steering, and it's also controlled by our steerlock system, which is standard on our Haulmaster Connect or Haulmaster Pro app.
Fantastic. And when's it available?
Yeah, this cart is going to be working in the fields here in harvest 2024, and availability will be for harvest 2025.
Well, I look forward to seeing them in the field. Thank you so much. And that was Mike Friesen at Ag in Motion.
Thank you.